Portable dryers are a convenient and efficient way to dry your clothes, especially if you live in a small apartment or have limited space. They come in various sizes and designs, ranging from compact models that can fit on a countertop to larger options that can hold multiple garments at once. Dryer companies use advanced technologies to dry your clothes quickly and efficiently. Unlike traditional dryers, portable dryers don't require a dedicated venting system, which makes them ideal for apartments or other small living spaces. They are also much lighter and more compact than traditional dryers, making them easy to move around and store away when not in use. Some models can even be used without a power outlet, making them ideal for camping trips, outdoor adventures, or traveling. In this video, I will tell you about the top 3 portable dryers in the market, how they work, and some key features to consider when shopping for one. I have given the product links in the video description. I hope the video will be very helpful for you, and you will get the best product of your choice. So keep watching the video. Number 3. The Costway Compact Laundry Dryer. It is the best overall option because its design, build quality in terms of price will give you a different experience. It is an 110-volt electric portable clothes dryer with a stainless steel tub and 4 automatic drying modes. The first thing I noticed about this dryer is how lightweight and small it is. It weighs only 37.3 pounds, making it easy to move around, and its compact size is perfect for small spaces like apartments and dormitories. You can mount it on the wall, place it on a firm horizontal surface, or mount it on a rack. Despite its small size, this dryer has a powerful 850-watt motor and a 10-pound capacity, which means it can quickly and efficiently dry your clothes. Just remember not to overload it with more than 5.5 pounds of clothes at once. One thing I love about this dryer is its different drying modes. You can choose from 4 different modes: cool, warm, hot, and air dry, and you can set the time length according to the material and weight of your clothes. The anti-wrinkle mode is also a great feature for busy people who want to avoid ironing. Another feature I appreciated is the quiet design of this dryer. The noise level is minimal, which is a big bonus for those of us who share living space with others. It won't disrupt your conversations or your sleep, which is a big plus. The stainless steel tub is another great feature of this dryer. It's durable and built to last, so you can use it for a long time. The package also comes with everything you need for installation, including hanging brackets, plastic spacers, an exhaust connector, and screws. I think the Costway Compact Laundry Dryer is a great option for anyone who needs a portable and efficient dryer. It's easy to use, has different drying modes, is quiet, and is made of high-quality materials. If you're in need of a small and powerful dryer, this is definitely worth checking out. Number 2. The Homelabs Compact Laundry Dryer. This is the best mid-range budget. This dryer is the perfect addition to small living spaces such as dorm rooms, apartments, and RV. The Homelabs Compact Laundry Dryer is reasonably priced, especially considering its features and performance. Let's talk about its compact and versatile design. This dryer is perfect for small living spaces, and it can be freestanding, rack-mounted, wall-mounted, or even stacked. This gives you plenty of options to fit it in the perfect spot for your home. Its dimensions of 23.4 into 20.1 into 27.5 inches and a net weight of 60 pounds make it very easy to move around when needed. All dryers have drums. The Homelabs Compact Laundry Dryer has a durable stainless steel drum that's built to last. You won't have to worry about metal zippers, rivets, or buttons in your laundry causing damage to the drum. This dryer is a multi-program dryer. It has 5 drying programs: Extra, Smart, Mix, Airing, and the timed program that lets you adjust from 30 minutes, 1 hour, and 2.5 hours of drying, depending on the max volume and type of clothing. The control panel is user-friendly and easy to operate. This dryer's limited capacity is 13.2 pounds. The multi-layer filtration and adjustable exhaust vent are both great features that contribute to the dryer's efficiency. The 3-layer filter helps prevent lint buildup for quicker and better drying, and the filter is easy to clean. The dryer vent was designed with convenience in mind. It's adjustable and can be positioned vertically or horizontally. The Homelabs Compact Laundry Dryer is a fantastic addition to any small living space. It's easy to operate, efficient, and versatile in terms of where it can be placed in your home. I highly recommend this product to anyone in need of a compact and efficient dryer. Number 1. The Black & Decker Portable Dryer. This is a great solution for those who are looking for a compact and portable dryer that can handle a range of laundry loads. This dryer is the great budget option. The first thing that stands out about the Black & Decker Portable Dryer is its portability. It's small, compact, and lightweight, which makes it an ideal solution for apartments, dorm rooms, and even camping trips. The dryer measures 23.6 into 17.1 into 27.5 inches and weighs 48.4 pounds. The load volume is 8.8 lbs, and the inside capacity is 2.65 cubic feet. The dryer comes with 4 different drying modes: air dry, cool, warm, and hot, to best suit your needs. It also has 1400 watt of drying power as well as overheat protection. The dryer comes with a 4-inch diameter vent hose exhaust connector, lint OS filters. The dryer operates at 120 volt and has a durable stainless steel drum and front-loading transparent lid. Drying times with this portable dryer vary from 30 minutes to 200 minutes. It's incredibly easy to use, and efficiently drying clothes has never been easier. The dryer is also energy efficient and cost-effective. No matter where your life takes you, this portable dryer is your top solution for drying sheets, towels, clothes, and other everyday items. It's incredibly versatile, and its compact size makes it convenient to move around. The dryer is also suitable for frequent travelers or those with limited space. The Black & Decker Portable Dryer is an outstanding product. It's incredibly portable, easy to use, and versatile. It's the perfect solution for those who are looking for a compact and portable dryer that can handle a range of laundry loads. If you're in the market for a portable dryer, and if your budget is in high demand, the Black & Decker Portable Dryer is definitely worth considering. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.